Hey you, I'm so glad you're here today. I'm Jenny Prochko from Miles and Indigo, and I make videos about spirituality, goal setting, journaling, mental health and awareness, and my story. Today I wanted to share with you my August plan with me. This is a pink Black Eyed Susan inspired bullet journal theme. So let's get into my journal and see all of the pink Black Eyed Susan goodness that I have for you this month. First, I'm starting off with a calendar stamp. This makes things a lot easier. That way I don't have to write in the date, do it over and over again. Also, I'm filling in the moon phase calendar up above. I have a yearly moon phase calendar, which you can see me flip to in the front of my journal, which I can leave the video linked up above and down below so you can see how to create your own. And now I'm just cutting out the cutaway page for my monthly theme. This is a Black Eyed Susan Botanical Paint With Me theme. I did a video on this, so if you're curious, I'll leave that link up above and down below so you can paint with me. And on the inside of that flip out, I have my next month notes section and then a list of important dates. I'm using a gold gel pen to make a little mark for Mondays and then a silver gel pen to make a mark for the weekends. That way when I glance at this, I know what days of the week each date is. And now I'm filling in the moon phase dates. These are my DIY moon phase stamps. If you'd like to make your own, I'll leave the video linked up above and down below. I had a lot of fun making these and they're really easy to make. On the first of every month, I send out a private monthly spirituality journaling prompt straight to your email. Make sure you sign up for this. This is where you can get inspiration to help fuel your soul and connect back to your innermost true self. You'll get a private email from me, the secret monthly spirituality journaling prompt, a video explanation, and my private journal entry. I really enjoy making these private spirituality prompts for you, and it gives me a chance to have a one-on-one conversation with you because you're able to just hit reply to the email and tell me what you're struggling with this month. This is a pull-out page for my monthly review journaling prompts. At the end of every month, I always ask myself, what did I learn? What is a time saver and what isn't? And what am I most grateful for? This is the tarot card that I pulled for the month of August. This is the Nine of Swords from the Wild Unknown deck. The Nine of Swords represents dark visions and anguish. The Nine of Swords reveals the deepest shadows of the self. You'll be battling yourself, so turn to others for help. Remember, find joy and reach out. I really liked recreating this tarot card in my journal this month because it was just a sketch. It was one pen. Now I'm moving on to the inside of this dual flip out. This is my quote for the month. It is a bit more of a mantra. I have the courage and tenacity to overcome any challenge I face. On this spread, I'm going to be recreating the tarot cards that I pull every day into these beautiful little miniatures. If you want to see what this looks like, check out my Instagram for my past months to see all of the tarot cards that I pulled each day recreated on this monthly spread. Next is my Thoughts That Pop Up spread. This is a brain dump page or a mental inventory page. This is one of the most used pages in my journal. It's a place where I can put all of my ideas and get them out of my head so they have a place to live and they're not cluttering up my thoughts and giving me anxiety. This is a rolling weekly spread. This is where I put all of my tasks and then schedule them. It's kind of like a master list. And the quote for this rolling weekly spread is, "You can dance in the rain just as easily as you can dance in the sun." I thought that was a really good reminder, especially with the way that the world is going right now. Things are always crazy in the world, but it just seems like right now that we can't be happy. And this just reminds me that we can find those little moments of happiness. Next, I'm moving on to my first weekly spread of the month. I have my dates up above as M3, T4, and so on with little stamps. And then I also like to include the 3 most important tasks of the day at the very top of each day that I pull from that master task list. At the bottom of this spread, I have a notes section, a tasks section, and a next week section. I'd like to use this next week section for ideas that I can't focus on this week that I might want to check in on next week. Before you get into the final flip through, I just wanted to say that I'm so grateful that you chose to spend your time here with me today. I really enjoy making these videos and hearing back from you, and our community is growing. The Owls and Indigo Tribe newsletter is growing so much, and I'm getting to interact with you and talk to you one-on-one, and it's just amazing. I love that I'm able to connect with you in this way. We talk a lot about journaling, goal setting, and just getting on track with your dreams and intentions and goals for your life. And the best way you can do that is through journaling and reflecting. And every month I have a private spirituality journaling prompt to help you get over any hurdles that you might have with your spiritual journey. The private monthly spirituality prompt goes out on the 1st of every month. Make sure you sign up. The link is in the description. You'll receive a private email from me, the secret monthly spirituality journaling prompt, a private video explanation, and my private journal entry. Sign up now before the 1st. The link is in the description. Another great way to connect with me is over on Instagram at Owls and Indigo. That's where I am most. But don't forget to sign up for that private monthly spirituality journaling prompt. It's going to be coming up really soon on the 1st. The link is in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.